we are going to talk about a Unity asset named ProRuler in our game scene. So let's have a first look on it. You can get this asset from the asset store. You can see it's ProRuler, and here option called Open in Unity. You will get the asset link in my description. I will provide the link, and after installing it, you have to open your Unity editor. So I already opened my game scene, and I have to install the package that we just got. So for this I'm going in Windows, Package Manager, and then simply searching ProRuler. And here's the asset. You can see we have to click on download. It will take some seconds. So now we have to click on import. And it start importing. It will take some while. It's a so lightweight and optimized asset, a so small asset that you don't even feel you have something in your project. So as you can see, we got our asset as we got the asset managers. So to use it, we have to click on Boost or ProRuler Manager, and you can see we get every setting. It's so ruler, all the shortcuts, Shift+1 to move mouse for like basic selection, so borders, show object for scales, and here you can see we even have different units like meters, kilometers, centimeters, millimeters, and that's decimal point. We use modern UI and the support at the bottom, and here's the documentation. Let's have a quick look on the documentation. It's a detailed documentation about the asset. You will get, it will take all the things that you need in the asset, and the support option of this code. So basically let's see how it's working. So for this I'm going new to an object, pressing Shift+1, and see it's showing me the real units, like everything. It's showing me in like millimeters, I guess. Let me customize it to centimeters. That is more perfect for small objects. Shift+1 and press. So see, the height is 131 centimeter. Same goes for this. See, and same goes for big objects. See, and same for normal objects. You can directly trace it for any asset. It's just like if you even want to do for our whole scene. See, 1000 centimeter by 1000, and you can even move with it. Like if you want to select multiple objects together, like you can do this, or you can select like a group of assets, like what is the size of the group. Like for example, you have a room in your, and you place all the things, and now you want the, like you make the perfect space in our project. Now you want to know how much it's taking the space. For example, I'll take this in the room, and now I'm Shift+1 and saying, oh okay, so it will take 131 centimeter from height and 340 centimeters from like width. Like it's applicable for the all type of assets. It's not matter what type of model you have. It's good for all. And that's pretty much about this asset. Or yeah, there is one more thing like let me show. Like you can even calculate distance in between two assets. Like for example, I just shift and shift plus 1, and then I'm moving it to like direct from here, and it will tell what is the total distance between them, and it will do the same for them. We can calculate the distance between this to this or to this, like this. And it's even more things, but it's a big guide. So that's it for now. I hope you like it, and don't forget the asset link is in my description. And thank you.